you. Every area of your life, you want to shout glory. And rain stopped for 3 years and 6 months. It didn't rain because of one man's prayer. I want to let you know, prayer changes. I feel like prayer changes.
Go ahead, Pastor.
You tell 2 or 3 people, prayer changes things. Prayer changes Praise the Lord. He prayed one prayer. Glory to God. And it shut up the heavens. And there was no rain. I'm going to let you know, if it don't have rain, it will not be enough water for vegetation to grow. And the food in the soil, there will be a